Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Grapsa ring display organizer box. So I do want to thank Grapsa for actually gifting this to me. And so this is going to be useful for individuals who have a ton of rings. This right here holds over 90 rings. So the rings can be displayed up right over here. It could also be displayed in slots right over here as well. So this is what it looks like. And so you have a nice way to actually go ahead and organize your rings. If you perhaps happen to sell rings as well, this would be a great way to actually go ahead and travel with your rings just because it zippers up. It's got a handle and it's also got a zipper to prevent the rings from actually falling out as well. So this is great for women, girls, mothers, or basically anyone who has a ton of rings. And aside from just rings, you could also place bracelets, earrings, necklaces, etc. inside of here as well. But definitely check it out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. The fact that it could actually hold up to 90 rings is really, really cool. And it's also acting as like a travel pouch. So I imagine this is going to be great for sellers or people who just tend to travel a lot. But I've had no problems with this whatsoever.